I have the Rabbit R1, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth headphones to the Rabbit R1. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Bluetooth settings of the Rabbit. So just wake up the screen by pressing the side button once, and then give it a good shake to go to settings, and then scroll on the settings to go to Bluetooth, and then select Bluetooth. And once you select Bluetooth, press this button again to make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And then now your Rabbit will start looking for Bluetooth devices to connect to. So what you want to do is put your Bluetooth headphones or your Bluetooth speaker in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now for this JBL, all I need to do is turn it on and then press the pairing button, and it's going to be in pairing mode. So now the Rabbit should find my speaker. So it's been renamed to Speaker of Chaos, and all I need to do is scroll that, make sure it's highlighted, and then press the side button, and then press the side button again to connect. There you go. So once it's connected, it's going to say connected, and now you can go up to Bluetooth, select that, go all the way up to settings, select that, all the way up to home, select that, and that should take you back to the home screen. That's the only way to go back to the home screen. You can only go one step at a time from where you are. But currently, as you can see, the Bluetooth speaker has been connected. Now, if you had headphones or earphones that are Bluetooth, you can actually use them to listen to music on, maybe if you're streaming from Spotify on the Rabbit, you can do that with your Bluetooth speaker or your Bluetooth headphone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.